Congratulations, David. You mentioned na may mga suggestions kayo na gusto na may mga in-offer sa'yo. Can you just share a little bit yung mga types of projects or characters or stories na you want to do with people?
Well, actually, since I'm getting a bit older already, gusto ko sana maximize yung, I guess, sense of youth, di ba? Yung youth energy ng mga shows, let's say, mga romantic, love, drama. Actually, ang gusto ko talaga is K-drama adaptation.
Really?
Yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin. So habang medyo pwede pa naman yata yung looks ko, baka pwede pa akong mga ganun.
May specific K-drama ka ba na gusto mo? Or like, if you would do a K-drama leading man, what kind of leading man yung gusto mong peg or na-imagine mo for yourself?
Gusto talaga yung Itaewon Class, si Park Seo-joon.
Oh, favorite ko din yun?
Yeah, di ba? Ang ganda eh. Kasi parang business-centric yung show. Marami kong matutunan, di ba? So parang, I feel like yun yung life story ko yung buhay niya.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Anna. Up next, let's have from Manila Standard, Nikki Wang. Hi, Sir Nikki.
Hi, dear David.
Hello.
Well, congratulations for joining Viva. Nag-wonder lang kami, no? You've been busy lately, nag-Hyrox ka, you're very active on social media and with your numerous projects. We wanted to know, paano pa ba nag-relax or nag-aanway ng isang David Lecapo amidst all the, the busy schedule?
I think at night I make sure na mag-relax ako. I drink wine. I watch movies. I hang out with my friends. I talk to my family. I talk to my sister's baby. Diba? Naglalaro kami palagi ng hide and seek. Ganun. So, yun naman, I feel like I have a balanced lifestyle. I guess I have a balanced life. Hindi naman siya yung parang, uy, puro trabaho. Diba? I'm very much aware na importante yung rest. Diba? I think pag bata tayo, medyo hindi natin ma-prioritize yung wealth natin. Sorry, yung wellness natin, not wealth. Kailangan talaga yung wealth eh, diba? Pero siguro yung wellness and health natin, hindi natin siya na-prioritize kapag bata ka pa. But na-realize ko actually, it's the most important thing in the world, diba? So hindi pwedeng puro trabaho lang. Dapat mag-rest din talaga. It's equally important.
Yes, we'll keep that in mind. And right now, pansin namin parang you are at the point of your life or of your career na you can decide, parang sabi mo kanina, nagbigay ng suggestions on the roles that you'd like to play. Is it safe to say that you're already in this point na you're more in control of your career, and how do you feel about it?
I wouldn't say na I'm in control of my career. Maybe now I just have more awareness na kung ano yung gusto kong gawin at hindi ko gustong gawin. Luckily naman nakakuha naman ako ng mga projects na gusto ko, di ba? So, I think before, ang magiging question ko lang talaga is, lead ba ako dyan? Magkano yung TF niya? Or gano'n lang dati. Pero now it's more of like, oh, actually, mas kailangan mong tingnan kung ano yung story talaga, di ba? Doesn't matter kung lead ka, doesn't matter kung support ka dyan. I think it's really the story and din yung mas tatatak sa mga tao, di ba? Ang goal naman ng movies is to really entertain, di ba? So, yun. I think now mas focused ako sa, mas titignan ko yung story talaga.
Alright, then thank you and congratulations.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Up next, let's